Take your fabric sample or the garment that needs to be dyed or colored. Fan fold the fabric or the garment by folding on alternate sides, once on the upper side, then on the lower side. Keep on repeating this throughout the end of the layer. So keep on doing it. Keep folding up and down. This is a fan fold. So keep creating the fold on the fabric. So I'll be doing it till the other end of the fabric. So another fold, then another fold, and while folding keep pressing the fabric. Now as far as this leftover fabric is concerned, fold it further with the layers. You can iron this as well before folding it further, or you can just do it straight away by folding the layers, again giving it a fan fold, once up and then down. And as again you can see that this is a shorter layer, so fold it, don't have to worry, fold it further. Now this is ready. After this, the next step would be folding the fabric once again, and then you can use a rubber band or thread. A sewing thread can also be used in case you don't have rubber band with you. Turn around. So the amount of rubber bands that you place depends on the kind of design you want to create. One can dye the whole of the fabric with just one color, or multiple colors can be used for this. So I'm putting a little more rubber bands here. Right, so the sample is ready to be colored. Now the next step after this is to create a natural dye bath by using onion peels. You can boil onion peel in water, and when you leave it for some time, you would get this kind of a color, a pinkish purplish color. So what you need to do is you can dip your sample in this dye bath. Make sure that the dye bath is warm. In case you prepare the color in advance, you can warm it again and then dip your sample in the dye bath. Turn around and do it a number of times. That is, keep pouring water, this dye bath, colored water, on top of your sample so that the color penetrates through all the layers. The correct way to use this particular technique is that you leave this sample in the dye bath overnight, and next morning take it out, rinse it with plain water and dry it in sunlight. So you would get a very good color on your